From the highs of 50% just about a week ago, the Bitcoin dominance has come down to 46%, correcting by 4% in just over a week. And this has actually given a boost to the altcoins. In this video, we are going to take a look at the top 3 altcoins that we should be buying in August 2021. Just for the record, our top altcoins for the month of July 2021 gave us returns in excess of 40% in the past 1 month. So stay tuned to this video and find out what are my top picks for altcoins for the month of August 2021.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency or your portfolio, head over to Telegram and join our family. The link for that is given in the descriptions below as well as in the pinned comments. If you want to contact me personally or want to become a premium member, you can contact me on my Telegram and that's given in the pinned comments as well. So now let's jump on to the top 3 altcoins. The first altcoin that I'm going to select is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has been trading from a high of approximately $4,300 to the bottom of about $1,600 in just a matter of few months, right? So it made the all-time high on the 12th of May and it made the local bottom at about the 19th of May. So it was just about a couple of months back. But ever since then, Ethereum has actually been forming this channel, right? If you can see, this is a W pattern and this is a very bullish pattern. So I have covered in my earlier videos that we are looking to long Ethereum for our premium members and for me personally. So we did that and we have booked some profits along the way as well. This is the neckline of the Ethereum chart. Okay, I have covered this in my earlier videos as well. This is the neckline, which is coming to about $2,400. And if we measure the price target from the neckline to the bottom, it comes to approximately about $3,100. So are we gonna go there at one go? Personally speaking, I don't think so. I've mentioned this multiple number of times in the past as well, right? So we went up, we broke above this. We had straight 11 days in a row, straight 11 green candles in a row. We went up, then we got a correction and we got a correction straight to this neckline. Okay, this confirms a breakout. Okay, this is very important. For our premium members, we have booked profits regularly at around 2650-ish levels. But we will probably go in another trade given the market scenario. So if you want to become a premium member, you can reach out to me. But for Ethereum, what are my expectations? Let's pull out the favorite tracement right here. So the first target that I'm looking at for Ethereum in the short term is at about $2,841. Okay, once that gets breached and we move above it and come back and treat it as a support, that's when we target for higher price targets of about $3,000 or about $3,500 is also a possibility. But for this month at least, I am looking at Ethereum to reach around the $3,000 or $3,100 mark, at least from this W pattern or this double bottom pattern which we have formed. So Ethereum is my number 1 pick. Let's move on to the second pick. My second pick for the month is Compund. Now Compund has given returns in excess of 10% in just the last 24 hours. Okay, so it has moved from all the way down to about $310 to about $437. So if we do a quick measurement of this comes to approximately 40% move in just about 15 days or so. Okay, so this is something that we are watching out closely and I believe this could be another great month for Compund in the near future. If I pull out the moving averages first, then what we can see is basically Compund is currently treating the 200-day simple moving average as a resistance, and if we are able to break above it, then of course the next level of resistance will be $517 mark. So this is something that we are looking at very closely, and perhaps this is our price target going forward. If I have to talk about the momentum in the market, then probably we'll pull out the stochastic RSI. As you can see, the stochastic RSI here, we have plotted a double top pattern, but the blue is actually pointing up, so we might see another rally up to about 517, then some resistance might be there. But this right here, this is a bullish scenario. So if I have to get into a compound, I will wait for the levels of approximately 358 or 359 probably. Then we can think of getting into a long at compound. But if you are a long-term holder, this should not be a matter to you, right? Because for the long-term, Compund is a great DeFi coin. It has got amazing fundamental value, and it will definitely add a lot of value to you. Personally, for me, I do not hold Compund in my portfolio. That's from the disclaimer side of things. Now, if I have to talk about the next altcoin, the next altcoin is a bit of a surprise to many, but it has a great potential for this month and for the first half of the next month as well. That coin is XVG or Verge. Now, the reason I have taken XVG for this month and probably for the first half of the next month is halving for XVG is actually scheduled for the end of this month, and that could actually give a supply shock and could result in a massive gains as far as the pricing is concerned, right? So if I go to the daily chart of XVG, what I can see is we came down to about 0.0158 on about 20th of July. From there we have a great rally, just like how Bitcoin also had 10-11 straight green days. So yeah, XVG is also following it. It's always safe to invest in altcoins which do actually follow Bitcoin in their movement. But if you are investing in a certain altcoin which may or may not follow Bitcoin, then you are in a risky territory, right? So if I have to pull out the key level of support and resistances, the key level of resistance for XVG is at about 0.025, so where we got rejected already once, and the next level of support is down here as well, right? So if I pull out the simple moving average ribbon, let me see what I have there. So on the simple moving average, of course, the 50-day might hold support right here, and then probably the 20-day will hold it. So keep your eye on XVG. Last month we selected FTX as our dark horse for the altcoins, and just after a couple of days it rose by more than 20% in just one day. Okay, so XVG is my dark horse for the latter half of this month. Okay, I believe there will be a correction, and once we get a correction, if I can probably think of about these levels of about 0.018, that might actually be a good entry for XVG. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. These are not financial advisors. These are my personal opinions. You need to do your own research before you invest in any of these altcoins. Okay, so XVG according to me is my dark horse for the month. Personally, I do not hold XVG for my long-term portfolio. I might look into it from the trading perspective at some point of time. So that's pretty much it about this video on the top 3 altcoins for me for the month of August 2021. Do let me know in the comments below if you hold any of these altcoins or you are planning to add any of these to your portfolio. If you want to speak to me personally or to our family members, feel free to join our Telegram family. The link for that is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. If you like the content, please smash up the like button and also hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to learn about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So that's pretty much it about this video. Take very good care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye for now.